In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Square appointments to your Squarespace website, a task that you can accomplish in just about 5 minutes. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your business operations by allowing clients to book appointments directly through your website. Now let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Square Appointments page. You can find this by searching for Square Appointments online or using the direct link associated with Square's appointment scheduling software. This service is a robust and easy to use tool that not only simplifies the booking process for your clients, but also helps you manage your schedule efficiently. Once you're on the Square Appointments page, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the Sign In button towards the top right corner of the page. If you don't already have a Square account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you have it set up, just enter your credentials and get logged in. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Square dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your Square account. It's filled with a number of options, but for now we're going to focus on setting up our appointments to link with Squarespace. On the dashboard, click on the option labeled Online. This section is where you'll manage your online presence and sales channels. It's also where we start creating the necessary connections to your Squarespace site. As you explore the online section, you'll see various categories, but today our interest is on online sales channels. By clicking this option, you'll be directed to a page where you can manage your sales channels, an essential step for linking Square with Squarespace. This process essentially involves managing how your Square account integrates with your website to provide a seamless booking experience. While you're here, confirm that your appointments are correctly configured. Make necessary adjustments according to your business needs, like defining available time slots, service offerings, or any other detail that's relevant to your operation. Remember, the goal is to make this as simple as possible for your clients. A straightforward booking experience ensures they don't encounter any unnecessary hurdles when scheduling an appointment. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully integrated Square appointments into your Squarespace site, allowing your clients to make bookings with ease. As you've seen, it's an easy setup process, but it opens a world of convenience both for you and your clients. If you have any further questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Square's support team for additional assistance. Thank you for watching and happy booking.